Welcome back to eGreen Channel. Want a delicious and healthy way to pack in nutrients? Look no further than plant-based smoothies. These vibrant drinks are incredibly versatile and easy to make. They are a fantastic way to boost your intake of fruits, vegetables, and other wholesome ingredients. Whether you're a seasoned smoothie enthusiast or just starting, get ready to discover a world of flavor and goodness. Plant-based smoothies are a great way to start your day or refuel after a workout. They are quick and easy to make, and you can customize them to your liking. You can use fresh or frozen fruits, vegetables, and herbs. You can also add in other healthy ingredients like nuts, seeds, and protein powder. Another great thing about plant-based smoothies is that they are very hydrating. This is because they are packed with water from the fruits and vegetables. Staying hydrated is important for overall health and well-being. So, what are you waiting for? Get blending and start enjoying the deliciousness and health benefits of plant-based smoothies today. Don't forget to subscribe to the eGreen channel owned by Said Mustafa, a dedicated public health professional and visionary. Hit the notification bell to stay updated with all our latest content. Like and share to spread the word about living a healthier and happier life. Let's talk about chia seeds and flax seeds, tiny but mighty ingredients that can take your smoothies to the next level. These little seeds are packed with nutrients, including omega-3 fatty acids and fiber, both essential for a healthy diet. Omega-3 fatty acids are known for their heart-healthy benefits. Just a tablespoon or two in your smoothie can support overall well-being. Fiber aids digestion and keeps you feeling full. Adding these seeds to your smoothies is a great way to increase your fiber intake. Let chia seeds sit in liquid for a few minutes before blending. This creates a pleasant thickness in your drink. Flax seeds can be blended directly into the smoothie. Their nutty flavor blends well with various fruits and vegetables. Who says you need dairy for a creamy and satisfying smoothie? Almond milk and coconut water are fantastic plant-based alternatives that add creaminess and flavor to your smoothies. Almond milk has a subtly sweet and nutty flavor, perfect for various fruits and vegetables. Coconut water is refreshing, hydrating, and a good source of electrolytes. Both blend seamlessly into smoothies, creating a velvety texture. Experiment with different brands to find your favorites. Spinach, the leafy green superhero of the vegetable world, is a nutritional powerhouse that deserves a starring role in your smoothies. And the best part, it blends in effortlessly, adding a boost of vitamins and minerals without altering the taste. Spinach is an excellent source of vitamins A, C, and K, as well as folate, iron, and magnesium. These nutrients are essential for maintaining healthy vision, boosting immunity, supporting bone health, and promoting overall well-being. Adding a handful of spinach to your smoothie is like sneaking in a salad without even realizing it. Its mild flavor disappears completely when blended with fruits and other ingredients, leaving you with a vibrant and nutritious drink. You can use fresh or frozen spinach in your smoothies. If using fresh spinach, make sure to wash it thoroughly and pat it dry before blending. Frozen spinach is already washed and chopped, making it a convenient option for busy mornings. Section 5. Fruit Frenzy. Blending a rainbow of flavors. Let's talk about the stars of the show, fruits. Fruits are the heart and soul of delicious smoothies, adding natural sweetness, vibrant colors, and a burst of flavor. From berries to bananas and everything in between, the possibilities for creating fruity smoothies are endless. Berries like strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, and blackberries are bursting with antioxidants and add a tangy sweetness to smoothies. Bananas provide a creamy texture and natural sweetness, while mangoes offer a tropical twist with their vibrant color and unique flavor. Don't be afraid to experiment with different fruit combinations. You can create classic combinations like strawberry banana or venture into more adventurous territories with tropical blends like mango pineapple or berry coconut. Fresh or frozen fruits work equally well in smoothies. Frozen fruits can even add a thicker, more ice cream-like consistency to your drink, especially during warmer months. Section 6. Sweeten the deal natural sweeteners for a healthy kick. While fruits provide natural sweetness to your smoothies, you can add a touch of extra sweetness with natural sweeteners. These alternatives to refined sugar can enhance the flavor profile of your smoothie, while providing additional health benefits. Dates are a naturally sweet and chewy fruit that blends seamlessly into smoothies, adding a caramel-like flavor and a boost of fiber. Honey, with its distinct flavor and antibacterial properties, can also be used sparingly to sweeten your drink. Maple syrup, a natural sweetener derived from maple tree sap, adds a unique depth of flavor to smoothies. It's also a good source of antioxidants and minerals like manganese and zinc. Remember to use natural sweeteners in moderation, as they are still sugar and should be consumed as part of a balanced diet. Adjust the quantity to your liking and taste preferences. Section 7. Thicken up, adding body and texture to your smoothie creations. Sometimes you crave a smoothie with a little more substance and texture. That's where thickening agents come in. These ingredients not only add body to your smoothie, but also provide additional nutrients and health benefits. Avocado, with its creamy texture and healthy fats, is a fantastic addition to smoothies, adding a velvety smoothness and a boost of fiber and heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. Oats, a versatile grain packed with fiber and complex carbohydrates, can also be added to smoothies for a thicker consistency and a boost of energy. Greek yogurt, a protein powerhouse, can be added to smoothies for a tangy flavor and a boost of protein that will keep you feeling full and satisfied. Just remember to choose plain Greek yogurt to avoid added sugars. Experiment with different thickening agents to find your favorites and create smoothies with your desired consistency and texture. Section 8. Spice it up. Flavor adventures beyond the ordinary. Who says smoothies have to be boring? Spices can take your smoothie game to the next level, adding warmth, depth of flavor, and a touch of excitement to your daily dose of goodness. Cinnamon, with its warm and comforting flavor, pairs beautifully with fruits like bananas, apples, and berries. It also boasts anti-inflammatory properties and can help regulate blood sugar levels. Ginger, known for its zesty and slightly spicy flavor, adds a refreshing kick to smoothies, especially those with tropical fruits like mangoes and pineapples. It's also known for its digestive benefits and can help soothe an upset stomach. Turmeric, a golden spice with a warm and earthy flavor, adds a vibrant hue and a boost of antioxidants to smoothies. It's known for its anti-inflammatory properties and may help boost brain function. Don't be afraid to experiment with other spices like nutmeg, cardamom, or even a pinch of cayenne pepper for an extra kick. Section 9. Supercharge your smoothie power-packed add-ins for an extra boost. Want to take your smoothie from healthy to super healthy? Superfoods are nutrient-dense ingredients that can provide an extra boost of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Cacao nibs, crunchy pieces of roasted cacao beans, add a chocolatey flavor and a good dose of antioxidants to smoothies. They're also a good source of fiber and magnesium. Spirulina, a blue-green algae, is a complete protein and a rich source of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. It adds a slightly earthy flavor to smoothies and can be a great way to boost your intake of essential nutrients. Maca powder, derived from the maca root, is a good source of vitamins, minerals, and amino acids. It's known for its energy-boosting properties and can help balance hormones. Remember to start with small amounts of superfoods and gradually increase the quantity as your taste buds adjust. Blend, sip, and enjoy. Tips for the perfect smoothie experience. Use a high-powered blender for the smoothest consistency, especially with frozen fruits or leafy greens. Start with the liquid base, then fruits, and finally leafy greens and thicker ingredients. Blend until smooth, adding more liquid if needed. Taste and adjust sweetness or flavorings. Pour into a glass, grab a straw, and enjoy. Section 11. Smoothie Love, a delicious way to nourish your body. Plant-based smoothies are more than just a trendy drink. They're a delicious and convenient way to nourish your body from the inside out. Packed with fruits, vegetables, and other wholesome ingredients, smoothies offer a wide range of health benefits. From boosting your intake of essential nutrients to supporting digestion and promoting a healthy weight, smoothies can be a valuable addition to a balanced diet and lifestyle. They're also incredibly versatile and customizable, allowing you to cater to your taste preferences and dietary needs. Whether you're a smoothie enthusiast or just starting, Embrace the world of plant-based smoothies and discover the endless possibilities for creating delicious and nutritious drinks that fuel your body and delight your taste buds. Remember, making healthy choices doesn't have to be boring. With a little creativity and a good blender, you can whip up plant-based smoothies that are as delicious as they are good for you.